Hello parents! Hope the kids had fun this weekend, indulging in sensory play and learning how to draw straight lines. This week we will be teaching our children more about themselves, their clothes, the right food to eat and cleanliness in general.
So today we start with good food habits by pointing out and discussing which food is healthier for them and which is not. Parents, we would also like you to indulge your child by cooking his favorite snack or food item today. So let's begin.
Sadik, do you know what are we going to do today? We're going to learn what food is good food and what food is bad food. So first we are going to color this, okay? How will we color it?
Daddy.
Yes, Daddy gives you orange juice, right? Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Yes, do it in the up and down motion. Very good. Up and down. Don't go out of line. Up and down. Yes. Yes, Daddy makes orange juice for Sadik. And what is this? You know, this is Coca-Cola and Sprite and all sorts of cold drinks. Do we drink that? No. Sadik drinks orange juice. Sadik drinks milk. Yes? Right, Sadik? Sadik likes haldi milk, no? Yes. Very good. So what is this? This juice. Yes, Daddy gives you orange juice. I know that. But yes. Now what is this, Sadik? Tell me. What is this? What is this? Oh, okay, we're going to color this. Okay. How will we color it? Up and down. 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 Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Very good. What is this, Sadik? Tell me, what is this? Apple.
Apple.
A for apple. Sadik, this is an apple. You should eat apple and all sorts of fruits. What is Sadik's favorite fruit?
Apple.
Apple. Wow. Should we eat pizzas? No. We should not eat pizzas. We should not eat burgers and all of this fast food things, right? Not good for your health, not good for your stomach. You should have fruits. You should eat apples, bananas, chicos, peaches, lychees.
Apple.
Yes, this is an apple. Right?
Daddy.
Yes, Daddy gives you orange juice. And then what else will we what else will we color, Sadik? We're going to color this now. Come on. Let's hold it in your hand again, okay? Up and down, 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 up and down. Very good. Yes. This is a lollipop. You should not eat lollipops and sweets and chocolates. You should have healthy fruits and vegetables, right? What is this? This is spinach. Sadik likes spinach, right? Very good, Sadik. Sadik, do you know what is your favorite?
Apple.
Yes. No, this is not an apple. This is a lollipop. This is an apple.
Apple.
Yes.
Apple.
No. This is a lollipop. So what should Sadik eat? Sadik should drink juice and milk. Sadik should eat fruits like apples and bananas. Sadik should eat vegetables like spinach and cucumber. And Sadik should not drink such cold drinks. He should not eat such things like pizzas and burgers. And he should not eat such sweets and chocolates. Okay? Understood? So parents, this is how you do the activity with your child. You first make him understand what is good food and what is bad food. Then you help him color the good food by outlining it first and then guiding him while coloring it, as always, in the up and down movement. You make a cross on the bad food and you teach the child that this food is bad for him and his health, and this is not the kind of food he should be eating. This is the kind of food he should be eating. Coloring the right food reinforces the fact that it is in fact the good food for him, and making a cross will make him realize and understand that this is not the right food for him. Okay? See you next time. Till then, bye-bye.